Hey art friends, to celebrate spring, I thought it would be really fun to draw a fawn or a baby deer. I hope you're gonna follow along with me. This drawing is super fun and really easy. I'm using my markers to draw in color with, but you can use whatever you have like crayons or even colored pencils. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. First, let's draw our baby deer's nose, or fawn. We're gonna draw an oval in the middle of our paper, and we can color that in. Then let's draw the mouth, draw a letter U, and a small letter U coming out to both sides. Then we can draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw them really big, this size, on both sides. Then we can also draw the highlight, and sometimes we put these on the same side, but this time I'm gonna draw them kind of in the center or pointing towards the middle. Then we can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Let's also add eyelashes. You could leave these off too if you want. Let's also draw a crown of flowers. For spring, we're gonna draw one flower right in the middle. I'm gonna draw it about this far up. We're gonna draw the circle for the center. Then we can draw letter U's that go all the way around and connect to the other side. I could have probably added another petal in there. It looks a little funny, but it's okay. Let's keep going. We're gonna draw another flower on each side. And this one, I'm gonna go kind of behind the one that we already drew. And then I'm gonna draw another one on this side. There we go. We kind of add that petal in there to mix it up and make it look a little better. There we go, there's 3 flowers. Now we can also add more spring plants coming out to the side. This could be ivy or just leaves. Let's draw petals, or not petals, leaves coming out from these little lines. We could add even more things to this crown. We could add more leaves or even smaller flowers. I'm gonna leave it just like this. Now let's draw her head. I'm going to draw a curve coming down from the crown on both sides. And then we can draw the cheeks coming out on each side. And then we can connect the cheeks for the chin underneath. Yeah, okay, now let's draw the big ears, big deer ears. We're going to draw a big curve coming out and up, and then the same thing on this side. And then we can draw it curving back in. Then we can also draw the inside of the ear. We'll draw the same shape, but smaller. And I'm also drawing it a little off center, so it's thinner on this side and thicker on the other side. Oh, and also maybe you could just see a little bit of the head sticking up from the crown. Yeah, okay, now we're ready to draw the body. Let's first draw the neck. We're gonna draw it coming down from the chin. This side I'm gonna draw longer, and on this side we'll draw it shorter. Then we can draw the first leg. I'm gonna draw a big or long letter U. Then we can draw a short line here, and then the same size long letter U for the right leg. Okay, then right here, let's draw the belly curving up. And then we can draw the back. We're gonna curve out of the neck. I'm gonna curve down right next to the belly. And then we'll draw the back leg coming down and curving up. And it's partially behind the front leg, so we're not gonna draw the whole thing. But let's draw one other leg back here so that our deer has 4 legs. And we're missing the tail. Let's draw an S curve. So curve one way and then back the other way. And then we'll curve back down for the fluffy tail. And we did it! We finished drawing our cute little fawn, except we still need to color it. This part will fast forward. At the end, you can pause the video if you want to match my same coloring. And we can also add more things, like more flowers or even a butterfly. All right, let's speed things up. I really hope you'll take time to color your drawings and add extra things to your drawing, like a background. You can add these flowers or butterflies. You can even add more baby deer. Also a reminder, I use my markers to color with, but you can use whatever you have. I'll also use a white acrylic paint marker to add the little baby fawn spots. And I think it would be really cool if you added a forest to complete your drawing. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me. Remember, it's okay if your drawings don't look exactly like mine. I'm sure they turned out awesome. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.